Not getting clicks on your videos? Your thumbnail might be the reason. Let me show you how to change it on laptop in just a few simple steps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your YouTube thumbnail on laptop easily. Plus, I'll share some powerful tips to boost your clicks. Step 1. Open your browser. Open Chrome, Edge, or any browser on your laptop. Step 2. Go to YouTube Studio. Type studio.youtube.com and open it. Step 3. Click on Content from the left side menu. Click on Content. Step 4. Select your video. Click the video you want to edit. Step 5. Scroll to Thumbnail section. Find the thumbnail area. Step 6. Click Upload Thumbnail. Click on Upload Thumbnail button. Step 7. Choose your image. Select your thumbnail from your computer. Step 8. Click Save. Click Save to apply changes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more amazing tutorials, and comment below what you want next.